Introducing the perfect double-door refrigerator-freezer combination with no-frost technology from Super General. An ideal fit for your kitchen, living room, office pantry, shop, or restaurant. With a modern INOX finish design and large handles, it fits into any modern kitchen interior. The refrigerator compartment has removable tempered glass shelves with 7 adjustable heights, giving you the flexibility to organize and arrange large boxes and bottles with ease. All boxes and shelves are made of sturdy material and are easy to clean. Multi-airflow system with smart sensors technology ensures consistent cooling to all parts of the refrigerator, ensuring all-around freshness. The sliding crisper drawer in the fridge compartment with an easy humidity control system keeps your fruits and vegetables market fresh. The chiller zone has a temperature control, adjustable from -7 to 0 degrees Celsius, which can be used to store dairy products or medicines. The energy-saving LED lights in this refrigerator are cost-efficient. The brightness from these lights ensures good visibility of your food items even in the dark. These top mount series come in multiple sizes to fit your available space and requirement. Enjoy super freshness with Super General.